Python 2.7 counting number of dictionary items with given value. First question here, so I will get right to it. Using Python 2.7. I have a dictionary of items. The keys are an x, y coordinate represented as a tuple, x, y, and all the values are Boolean values. I am trying to figure out a quick and clean method of getting a count of how many items have a given value. I do not need to know which keys have the given value, just how many. There is a similar post here. How many items in a dictionary share the same value in Python? However, I do not need a dictionary returned, just an integer. My first thought is to iterate over the items and test each one while keeping account of each true value or something. I am just wondering, since I am still new to Python and don't know all the libraries, if there is a better /faster /simpler way to do this. Thanks in advance.
This first part is mostly for fun. I probably wouldn't use it in my code. We'll get the number of true values. Of course, you can get the number of false values by len_d, sum d.values. Slightly more generally, you can do something like. In this case, if x works just fine in place of if sum_condition x and is what most people would use in real-world code. Of the three solutions I have posted here, the above is the most idiomatic and is the one I would recommend. Finally, I suppose this could be written a little more cleverly. This is in the same vein as my first, fun, solution as it relies on the fact that true plus true equals 2. Clever isn't always better. I think most people would consider this version to be a little more obscure than the one above, and therefore worse.
If you want a data structure that you can quickly access to check the counts, you could try using a counter. As Nielsen points out, this relies on the values themselves being hashable. You could then plug in a value and get the number of times it appeared.
Data Data Society